This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Roadglide Special. The color of this Roadglide Special is Barracuda Silver Denim with a black finish. And what the black finish means is that from the factory, Harley Davidson blacked out all the chrome, which gives it a really great contrast. This Roadglide Special has 4,259 original miles on the odometer. It has a fresh service. It's in excellent condition. Just a really awesome looking Roadglide Special. Now it has a 9-inch flare tinted windshield. ABS brakes, security system. It comes with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you down the road. Nice blacked out exhaust. Comfortable seat. Has a detachable backrest for your passenger. And also the hardware is there to hook up a luggage rack if you have a little more gear you need to stow. LED taillights and turn signals in the rear. LED headlights. Now what's really cool about this bike is the audio system. The GTS boom stereo has been upgraded with a Rockford FOSGATE amp and Rockford FOSGATE upgraded speakers in the front, in the fairing, and then also in the saddlebag lids, which gives it a great sound. You can really hear the stereo very clearly and about as loud as you want to play it. The GTS stereo also has AM, FM weather band. You can Bluetooth your music or your device into the system, or in this compartment there's a plug-in for your device, and you can not only charge it but integrate it into the system. And you can control it with the touchscreen or the hand controls. It also has GPS navigation. Just a really cool looking Roadglide. I really like the way the specials come blacked out from the factory. Nice custom black wheels, black front end, black engine guard. It's a great contrast with the Barracuda Silver Denim. And then the gloss inner fairing, it all works really well together.
865-0987. 10 questions in 60 seconds can score you the dough. Good luck from 98.7 The Dove.
If you're in the market for a new Roadglide, take a really good look at this 2020 Roadglide Special. Fantastic color, and with the factory black finish on it, it's just a great contrast. If you're into music, this bike has a great audio system. It's all been upgraded with Rockford FOSGATE equipment, speakers, amp. Low mileage bike. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP. Don't get stuck paying all the setup and freight and dock fees. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.